Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Honda NSX R, and this is by Tomica, and this is from their premium series. So I don't see the scale mentioned here, so let's assume this is one. Okay, it is here. So it's 1/60. So this looks really cool, so I bought this one. So let's unbox and see how it looks. So far I bought all the premiums from this 2023 series, whatever was available in India. Okay, here it is. If anyone is wondering about Lamborghinis, I am planning to do a Lamborghini week entirely because I do have more than I think 20 plus Lamborghinis to unbox. So I will do that for sure separately, but not along with this one. Okay, here it is. They put some kind of paper on this one. I don't know why, but it's really nice. Let's keep this aside, and here it is. So the first impressions are, this looks really beautiful. The rims looks really awesome. So this is the first time I'm looking at a rim like this. Wow, that looks really cool. You can see it here. The logo is pretty well made, and the headlights are actually made of some kind of plastic. That is a very good thing, and even the tail lights are actually, this is actually I think it's some kind of plastic. Yeah, it is a plastic. That is very nice. So I personally love this one. The interior detail looks really awesome. The red seats and black literally everything else. So you can see the engine detailing here. That looks really nice. And okay, so the spoiler is also actually made of metal. So the only plastic thing you can see here is the rims or the tires, the chassis, and the interior. These are actually plastic, like every other brand mostly in this particular price range. So this one also I bought it on Amazon. So I bought it with a little bit of discount, if I'm not wrong, like 500 or something. So what's the MRP on this one? Let's see. Okay, I think I threw that cover away. So it's somewhere around 500 rupees I bought, if I'm not wrong. Okay, let's do a suspension test first. Okay, this does have suspension, which is really awesome. Okay, let's do a roll test. It doesn't roll really well. The wheels wobble a lot, but we are not going to play with this. So I'm just going to keep it as a showpiece. I'm just wishing Tomica is going to push a lot more of their cars in India. So we are not getting that much here, and a lot of scalpers are actually just selling all this for like 1,500 to 2,000 rupees, when in originality or in reality the price is around like 600 rupees max. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.